In this video, we are going to see how to calculate the highest salary between two departments. Hello, I'm Jagan. I'm posting this video to share my knowledge in SQL with you. If this assists you in your interview preparation anyways, I'll be happy. Before you talk about the question, let's see the input table. So we have a salaries table which got employee name, department and salary. So the department we have engineering and marketing. Okay. So the question here is, we are given a salaries table. We have to find the highest salary between the departments and see the difference between those salaries. When you say the difference between the departments, the question might be basically, is it engineering minus marketing or marketing minus engineering? Which department comes first, right? So the valid value might be its absolute value. So use the absolute value so that the direction doesn't matter. And second one is, whenever we talk about get the employees who with the second top salary, a third top salary, and the question will be, if there is more than one employee has the same salary, what will you do, kind of, right? Here there is no point like that because we are not considering the employee name. We get the department and the maximum salary of it. Even more than one employee has the same salary, there is no problem because max of salary of a department is going to be only one, right? Okay, so in the interview point of view, they don't give you the data like this, right? They just give you the table name. So first create the table. Okay, so they will just give you the table name, so you might not know what are all the values in the departments column. The engineering might be the first letter might be small or caps, and instead of engineering it's a ENGG kind of, right? So the best practice is just select the column and then make sure what kind of values are there in the column. Department count star from salaries group by 1. So when you see this, we have engineering 6 records, marketing 4 records. Okay, so the question is, find the top salary of each department and then the difference. So the department and then you say max of salary, right, as salary. So every department has a engineering has 102K, marketing has 53K. Now how will I find the difference between the two rows? If it is a column, you can say column 1 minus column 2, but it's a row. How will I bring it? Let's make it as a CT table first. Okay, with top salary as, if we say select salary from top salary, it's going to give me 2 records, right? So how will I bring it as a column, like transposing part of it? We saw in the previous videos, we just use case statement. Case when department equal to marketing then salary, right? And then the same way we just say when department equal to engineering then salary. Say this is as S1 and this is at S2. Now you see we got 2 rows, but only one got the value, other is null. We have seen in previous videos how to bring that into one row. Basically we just say max of this as S1 and max of this as S2. So this will bring you both the rows into a single row, and now we got the values in 2 different columns. Now it's easy to find the difference. We just say minus of this, right? Max 1, so S1 minus S2 as salary difference, right? Now we get the negative value, which we are not going to consider. We just say absolute value of the difference, right? Now we got the absolute value, which is the 49 is the difference between the salary. So the question is, so simple. We just have to understand and then break down into different steps, and then you try to convert that to a code. So the same thing, how will you do in a Windows function? Okay, we can just say the same query. We take that as a same query and we start with that. So instead of max, we just say row number over partition by department. So every department we just partition it, and then order by salary descending, because we are looking for the top salary, right? You can just get some space from the salaries department. Since we are using Windows function, no need for a group by. Let's run it and see. So we have all the departments. We can just have the salary, so we can see. Okay, so every department, the maximum salary is going to be 1. So engineering, the salary 1 or 2k is having the rank. This is not salary, right? So the rank is 1, and for marketing 53k, the rank is 1. So we use this as the CTE table, salaries, as we have a period here. Okay, same like before, we just get the case statement, so it don't bring up here. Instead of saying max, we just say only the case statement, because we just have a condition called absolute value of this, okay, where rank equal to 1. So rank equal to 1 is going to bring only this part, right? But it's going to be 2 different records. Let's do this way so we can see it. So this is the first record, this is the second record. You just say S2, S1, okay, where rank equal to 1. Oh, from top salaries. Same way, you got 2 rows, only one got the value. So you just have the max of. So we just copy the same part as salary difference. Only thing is we just add where rank equal to 1. Okay. So we got the same answer. So now we have a CTE table and then we are calculating the value. Is there a simple way to do it? Of course, we always have that different approach, right? So what we are doing here, you can just take this query, okay, and we try to create a better version of it. So we get the maximum of salary and then we do the case statement and do the max again. So instead of that, how about we just say select max of salary from here itself and just remove the top part. You just say select max of case and department equal to marketing, then salary, right? This will give the salary anyways, and then okay, salaries, right? So we don't need the CTE table at all, right? We completely can ignore the CTE table. We can just say when the department is marketing, get me the salary, right? And then you get the max of it. Same way for engineering, you get it. there is no need to first get the max and then you play around with it. So we are overdoing in the previous examples. Whenever we hear the question, we say, okay, he's asking for rows to columns, so we do for CTE table. No, right? That is a simple solution. So you just try to understand the question, then break down into steps, then you do the coding part of it, which will be more easier. Don't complicate the questions. Hope this will be helpful. Thank you.